much money in the bank. I ain't tryna play no games. Fuck the hater gon' say. Copy on my hustle all day, little bitch. Stay in your place, motherfucker, I'm paid. Too much money in the bank. I ain't tryna play no games. Fuck the hater gon' say. Copy on my hustle all day, little bitch. Stay in your place, motherfucker.
Hey you guys, it's Jen and I am back with another video. So what we're going to do today is we are at the beach and we're gonna have a great day. We're gonna have a couple of drinks. I'm excited. You guys, I love business talk and, you know, friend talk, all of that, goals talk. Like this highlight is goals.
So you know how we were talking about in the car earlier about how much we've grown and we're just not like the same people that we used to be?
Yeah.
But pretty much like I met this guy like years ago, so he know me for who I used to be. So he invites me out.
Oh.
Blah blah blah. And I don't know how, but the date ended up turning to him being like, okay, I'm gonna cook it.
Here at Venice Beach Rooms, and this is where it's heading for you guys. This is in Venice, California. We get some rules and stuff, like how does this whole thing go? We've never really just like came here by ourselves. It's always been like when we were younger and stuff.
Okay, well, I just charge you the first hour.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, if you guys want to go longer, I just charge you a difference once you return.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
That's perfect. Do we need helmets?
You can have one if you want.
I don't want a helmet.
We don't want one. That's the
Then
thing.
it's any bikes with like a basket on them? I want a basket.
Look at this. Oh, this is probably the tag along. Is that the tag along? Oh, okay, so you guys, that is a tag along. So it's pretty much like a two-rider. It goes to the other one, and you get to ride in the back. Probably for a little kid, I don't know. Oh my God, but that's gonna be all up in here. Oh my goodness.
Okay. I have a phone number for you guys.
323.
We're affiliated with Perry's and on the Perry's Blazing Saddles.
Okay.
So,
Also, if we can't make it here, we can go to Perry's.
well, you can, but they're going to charge you a fee if you drop it off there.
Okay.
Oh, no,
And how much is the fee?
$10.
Okay.
This is just in case you guys have a problem.
Okay.
Now-
Oh, okay, with the bike.
Exactly. Now, the bike that they give you, just bring it back to me.
Okay.
There you guys.
Thank you. No. Look, something wrong? Oh, I'm like, no, I gotta use it.
First down.
This is so beautiful. It looked like nobody on the beach.
I didn't even know they had a mountain over here.
So I'm just waiting because I gotta use the restroom. Pretty every time you're at the beach. You know. Ooh, you guys. I got it. So we're on a bike ride and bro, I haven't rode a bike in I don't know how long. Look at this, never trust my hair. Okay, so let's go this way. Turn around, turn around. Okay. I got the hang of it. So you guys, I'm super excited. I'm so sorry for all the wind that you guys are gonna be hearing. Look at Chantelle. I wish I could show you guys her how happy she look. Bro, I don't know where I'm going because I don't see the trail.
Well, we just passed the trail.
Yeah, but I wanted to come this way. This is super fun. Let's go right here.
Oh, perfect.
All right, you guys. I'm not about to ride through. Yes, come through.
The question is, do I know how to ride a bike?
Yeah, I was just telling myself like, damn, I don't remember the last time I rode a bike.
I'm not an experienced bike rider.
Clearly. You sound like, excuse me. Thank you. This is actually fun. Let me flip the camera for you guys to actually see what's actually going on. So you guys could get a piece of LA. Yeah, that show me something. Round and around, around and around we go. You scared me. You just scared me. Oh my God. I feel like so much air just went through my hair.
I try to go off.
That lip gloss check. Let's go in the pocket. Which one is coming out? Elf. It's lip plumping gloss. And it's so pretty. It's champagne glam. You want some? Ooh, do. Oh, I didn't know we had one. You just put me on. It seems like people mad at us for what we're doing.
I just have to put a little lip gloss. I'm so sorry.
I'm the first one to screw on the track. I switched up the beat of the drum. That's right. I brought all the boys to the yard. I'm sitting here talking because I thought it was her. All right. So she's finally behind me. It's been like a good 3 minutes, you guys. Where does she go again? Yo, I keep losing her. You look tired. Why is she looking tired? Like the momentum is not there anymore.
I'm gonna take a break.
Okay, so I took the backpack over because, you know. Why do I want to go back on the trail? Because I feel like we being disrespectful. But I think that you can go right here.
Oh, you want to head back?
Oh, do you want to keep on going that way?
Yeah.
I thought your ass wasn't for it because of the way you came rolling up.
No, bitch, I'm trying to push through, okay?
Push through. Right, because this is actually a workout. And we getting that work done. Yes, girl.
When the sand be on the path, it's like, oh my God.
Exactly. So because I don't trust nobody, I'm staying with the bikes. Because we have a bag too. Like, don't nobody got time. I don't want to get overcharged. I don't want to have to pay for the bike. And I know how people are. So don't ever play yourself. Don't ever get caught slipping. Never. So we're gonna be right here. Yes, Baywatch. Come through. Come through, Baywatch.
Tired Baywatch 101. Give me a my phone.
No! What the? No! What are you doing? You can't have sand in your phone.
Oh, what happened?
It'll fuck your technology up. And the bitch got a 7 throwing it in the sand like it ain't shit. She told me I made a mistake. It's an 8-bit. That makes it even worse. But okay. Look at this. This wind and blew my hair. I don't forgot what side I parted my hair on. It's really this side, but this one little piece of hair is just not paying attention. Yes, giving us insight.
Look at someone's home. This is someone's home.
This is luminaries of pantheism.
Who are these people? Sorry.
They're luminaries.
That's mirror right here. Here's a young mirror. No, you didn't need a view check? Oh. So grateful.
I need some shopping stick.
My body's grateful right now, bitch, for this workout. Bye, beach. Everyone say bye, beach. I guess it's a two people. We both. Our Pinot, my Pinot, I love Pinot, y'all. I mean, this happened.
Yeah.
Everybody, drop a tear for the Pinot.
Right.
All right.
R.I.P. R.I.P.
Really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. Sitting in the nosebleed. Now nigga on the floor. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it. Walk it like I talk it.
Quick stop. I am at the post office. Gotta drop off some packages. Excuse me. I hope Lash Dolls love it. Well, that took forever. But I got it. So I'm back home, taking my son out. Come here, Pokedex. Come here, baby. Say hi to the vlog. Hi. All right, you guys. All right. I had a great day. I'm ready to take my wig off. I'm just like, I'm ready to take this face off, take these lashes off. Probably put a mask on and just relax. Probably sit in some Epsom salt because your girl is super sore, okay? But yeah, I think that's all. All right, you guys, if you like my content, give it a like, comment, and subscribe. Just like, but yeah, so yeah, I'll talk to you guys later.